In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix. Your account cannot be used in this location. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to contact Netflix support. So let's first open our web browser on our mobile phone. Now just search Help Netflix on Google and select the first link. Now, from here, what you can do is to simply scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Now, just describe your issue, say location issue, and just tap here, scroll down, and as you can see, there is this section where you can get in touch. So simply select Chat with Us. Now, tap on Chat with an agent. So now you want to sign in. So tap on Yes, sign into your account. So tap open. Now you want to sign into your account, and after signing in, you just simply want to chat with Netflix supports agent and describe your issue, and hopefully they will help you with your problem. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.